Hi guys, I'm Kira and I'm back with another tutorial video today with you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply log into your Pinterest account on your desktop. So please make sure to watch till the end to understand this tutorial. And now let's get started. First of all, on your desktop, just go onto your web browser that you are using or you have on your desktop and then type pinterest.com on your URL. After you're done with that, search for that. In this way, it will take you to the Pinterest website where you will see a login or sign up option at top right hand corner. So click on the button that says login. Now on this dialog box, you will see email and password. Provide your email that you have used while creating your Pinterest account and provide your correct password. After that, you might see login option just below that. So simply click onto that option. And guys, you are done with logging into your account. I hope this video helped you. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon and be updated with more upcoming tutorial videos. And we will see you on next video. If you made it till the end, thank you for watching again.